और Kapatisi TV. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Mrs. N. Hills Tiny Tots Eastville Secondary School. Kemudian halum ya belot nong thamai haga pratrik nailar arajar hosan. Klepen long ke exhibition ke bentagi kenna but hakani ke exhibition Ïohi ke jing Shlur jong kenna school. Ban Batai hagi Kmie pa shapangi project pakishna but kum joru. Kalaran ke jing pin ki riam balabu berwandur hagi rukom per lashin bentahi lagi kenna school. Kino penyak jong ke school kilo ong baya kini ke exhibition laju penlong mana usnam kum shibenta ban aila lagi kena school kemudian ya ke sap kapong bat ru ban pro e ke bor jabing jongki ya ke bagi pulih ha school bat kan nyarap ru Kmie pa bikin tip ba hadu kat no ki Khun jongki kila ban le ke begini kai ki ju ai jingi kai mana kasni hagi sau kendro juki kamera kelas. Kila yo ru banyak keren bat we di Kmie jongki kena haka bai laong bagi jing pun kre bagi jing treshi tom jong kena kalong shisha ka ba internet hadu kata-kata bar ila ai khublei khamtam e ikino hikai nama badeling ba jongki ki kena school lala ban pen paw ya ka sap ka phong ka bakidan.
For justice, I wear black coat and white neck collar. Satin meja here. Thank you, my lord. Nabamila, I green long I no teacher, I teach student. Hello everyone. My name is Isaiah Sheba Noel CH Moment. I am a hockey player. This is my hockey stick. Then I am the doctor. I help 6 people. Policeman, I get a thief. I love picking fruits. Tomato, carrot, and apple, fruit, chili, I am the lion. My name is Joan. I am a giraffe. My name is Amisha Lionel Howard. I am Coco France. Yana not fly. Come Yana fly with me. Good morning everyone. Bella, I cannot fly. I'm very sad. I cannot fly. I am Edric. I am Lindo. I am a Coco the butterfly. Keep practice. The moral of the story: keep practicing to be strong.
And
Perfect.
are so beautiful to see. The colors of the rainbow, sing the colors along with me. Red and
Yellow. Green.
blue, indigo, and you know it's very good.
My name is Mandabak Karbangar. I am a peacock. Because of my beauty, I am thread in this cage, and you are a free bird. Moral of our stories: never compare yourself to others. Be happy at what you are and what you have. Thank you. I am Nessa, and I am actually a parrot. You know that peacock is the most beautiful bird in the world, and she is caged. And also the parrot also want to be beautiful like her, but she's caged. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Sawan Ramnashimri. I am a swan. The parrot is the most beautiful bird, as it has two colors, and the swan had just one. Moral of the story: never compare yourselves to others. Be happy in what you are and in what you have. The doctor. Projects is shapes. This is sphere, this is cube, this is cuboid, this is cylinder, this is cone. Healthy food and unhealthy food.
Welcome to our school exhibition. My name is Alisa M. Karluki. I study in class 2B. So now I'm gonna explain you about living and non-living things. We see many different things around us. Some of these are living, the others are non-living. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Baldamisa Momin. I study in class 2B. So now I'm going to explain you about living things. Living things can breathe, move, feel, grow, and reproduce. All of these are living things. Example: dog, girl, boy, tree, bird. And all these are living things. Thank you. Good morning, sir. My name is Tawachanki Kmie. I study in class 2B. Today I'm going to explain you about non-living things. Non-living things have no life. They do not move, feel, grow, eat, breathe, and reproduce. For example, table, ball, chair, robot, and car. So all these are non-living things. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our school exhibition. My name is Kaira. I study in class 2A. My name is Miran. I study in class 2A. Today we are going to explain about some mathematical facts using this magic board. In this magic board, you can see numbers from 1 to 100. Here we will be learning about basic concepts like number 1, even and odd numbers. Number 2, what comes before and after. Number 3, ascending and descending order.
Even numbers are numbers that are divisible by 2. Even number ends with 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. Here, the smallest even number is 2 and the biggest even number is 100. Now odd numbers. Odd numbers are numbers that are not divisible by 2. Odd number ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Here, the smallest odd number is 1 and the biggest odd number is 99.
Come before and after. For example, what's come before and after? For example, 44. The number that comes before 44 is 43. And the number that comes after 44 is 45. Numbers are arranged from small to big. Ascending and descending numbers are arranged from big to small. 26, 53, 44, 35, 26, or 29. 26, 35, 44, 53, 62. Even and odd numbers. Even numbers are numbers that are divisible by 2. Even numbers ends in 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. Here, smallest even number is 2 and biggest even number is 100. Now, odd numbers. Odd numbers are numbers that are not divisible by 2. Odd numbers ends in 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Here, smallest odd number is 1 and biggest odd number is 99. What comes before and after? For example, 44.
The number that comes before 44 is 43. And the number that comes after 44 is 45. In ascending orders, numbers are ranged from small to big. For example, 26, 35, 44, 53, 62. Whereas in descending orders, numbers are ranged from big to small. 62, 53, 44, 35, 26.
Kabang chef ning kong te kadai ga jing long prepare ki khna ki long ready bha ban le ekni ka jing kren jong ki la prepare bha ki models te kabang ning kong hap yero ekino hikai ba ki la ban biang ekni models ba ru ba kin train ekni khna ba kin la ban kren bha halot ki phang ba ki la bo kan te kalong ko phala ban I khna ban rit ki class 2 ero ki long confident ha ban kren te nga internet ban pe ki ba nga sngo khan ru ban I ba ki Khun la jong reward school hang ne ki la ban kren bha kan ho ka jing Batai jong ki ru ka long shai ning kong ka shai ka long ong no bang bala pen bet bha ka benya bat ya kam tam ki khna barang khamrit ka long su thu kloi bat ki don ki bo bat ki model kini ki rap ya ki bikin su thu shu kan ka ai ka ba ki dang Batai de kata ru ngai tanat ngai de benya ro ya ki kan.
This is a circle, this is shapes. This is a circle, this is a square, this is a rectangle, this is a square, this is a triangle. Or these are called shapes. Good morning everyone. Mango tree. This is a mango. Mango are yellow and green in color. Mango is the king of fruits. Mango is sweet in taste. This is a mango. This is a mango. Mango is the king of fruit. Not right. Fruit. Sweet and taste. King of fruit.
Dear teachers, dear parents, and my dear friends, welcome to our school exhibition. My name is Aurelia Litan and I am studying in class 5B. Today, Annabelle will be talking about the life cycle of a plant.
Annabelle, and I will talk about life cycle of a plant. A seed germinates when it gets favorable conditions like air, water, warmth, and soil. A seed germinates to produce a baby plant or a seedling. A baby plant grows and gradually becomes an adult plant. An adult plant bears flowers. Flowers change into fruits. Fruits may have single seeds or many seeds, varying from plant to plant. Fruits dry up and seeds are scattered away from the mother plant. The seeds grow into new plants. In this way, the life cycle of plants continue. All seeds do not grow into new plants. This is because some seeds are destroyed by rain, wind, heat, etc. Some seeds are poorly developed. Some seeds do not get favorable conditions for germination. Some seeds are eaten by humans and animals. Hence, plants produce many seeds to ensure at least few of them germinate into new plants and their life cycle continue. Thank you.
Good morning, dear parents and dear friends. My name is Arisha Darji Linglot Nongnait. I study in class 5, section B, and today's topic is stages in seed germination. The process by which a seed develops into a seedling is called germination. To germinate, a seed needs proper amount of
air, water, and warmth. These are essential for a germinating seed because oxygen in the air is needed to obtain energy from the food reserved in the cotyledons. Water softens the seed coat that helps the baby plant to come out of it easily. Warmth makes the embryo active for the growth. In germination, at first the baby root comes out from the soft seed followed by the baby shoot. The root grows downwards while the shoot grows upwards. The tiny cotyledons or seed leaves open on the shoot and carry out photosynthesis for some time. This baby plant is called seedling. As seedling grows, it develops through leaves. And the cotyledons shrink and disappear. The seedling grows to become a young plant. Thank you. Good morning everyone, my name is Kmie and I am from class 5A and these are my friends. Today's topic is on how did people discover microorganisms. Till about 350 years ago, people did not know that microorganisms existed. Then scientists invented a tool called a microscope. Then when we look into a microscope, very small things appear to be large, and we can study those small things with the help of a microscope. Microorganisms can be found in bones, in human bodies and other things as well, and we can see them with the help of a microscope. So first we need to put this right here, then after that you can also adjust the setting from here and here. And after you finish to on like this, if you open from here, if you look from here, then you can see the microorganisms. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is studying class 1A. Hello, my name is Lucius. I'm studying class 1A. Hello, my name is Hello, my name is Taylor. I'm studying class 1A. Hello, my name is Robert. I'm studying class 1A. Hello, my name is Panpanya. I'm studying class 1A.
Hello, my name is Gavin. I study class 1A.
We welcome you all to our school exhibition. Today's topic is about singular and plural words.
To change the noun from singular to plural, we normally add the letter S end of the words. Thank you, my dear parents and my dear friends.
Morning, everyone. We welcome you to our exhibition. Hello, my name is Bianca Rees Nangrum.
Hello, my name is Aiden Joanne Karkuma.
Hello, my name is Rihanna. Hello, my name is Nona. Hello, my name is Asim.
Hello, my name is Dosan Tunai Krem.
Hello, my name is Marco Marlar. Hello, my name is Ludovi. Hello, my name is Noah. We are from class 1B. Our topic for today is about things around us. We have many kinds of things around us. Some are living things while others are non-living things. Okay. Living things are like beings who can go and live on the earth. For example, plants, animals, and human beings. Cannot move from one place to another. For example, chair, desk, plants. Some plants remain short and resist, and some are very big and fat. Some are very Kastab bakmanya fi baros. Ngakerteng I Jiren Nomdar na class 3B. Ngakerteng I Muhammad Fawaz Ashraf Ali na class 3B. Ngakerteng I Sibidaya na class 3B. Ngakerteng I Irene na class 3B. Ngakerteng I Tiga na class 3B. Ngakerteng I Daniel Kanpungar na class 3B. Ngakerteng I Ador na class 3B. Ngakerteng I Insan na class 3B. Katopik kajongi minta kasli kadeka sabhang katinga. Pi shayo I em ya kitanga. Hoy. Ki don Hidon karong kabakong mabahamat. Hidon karong kabayong. Hangdo kisang Irene. Halakas kong halargen. Vivan. Documents missing. Ski again. Document. There. Dashin kakat. Roy Baha Kijakasot Haktam Shali Dakar. Heating up Kijaka then read Bajaka Bajaclear.
Good morning, Batisi TV. Ngasutunat piyo ban wan. Mentaksingi ban ring ban shondur shon video mo na yakini mentakini ki kena kiba kilai tracy tom bat kinong hikai ban peni ka sap ka pongjongki baki shna bat ki nong hikai. This is actually ban promote iban yaka thinking skill jongki bakin bat yaka jing pen wandur yaka jing mut hak jongki yaka ki baki mut ban shna te kani kalong ka jing hikai yaki ba later on in life baki long ban ban manufacture production all these things and also teaching them marketing all that involves in our day-to-day life later on. So it's a good thing that we do it every year so that the children would as their age group. So teachers are teaching them according to their age group, even about their project which they have in the classroom, whatever they are studying. So it's from the whatever they're doing, they're showing, present today is all in their lessons. So that they will learn more by doing things, not just read about it. So kani ka pen pro yaki kambha yaka jenggot jempar kajungki. Okay, hangni ngi don lo ibe principal.
So I, on behalf of the Mrs. N. Hills Tiny Tots Eastville Secondary School, I would like to say that yes, this exhibition that we used to have every year, it's helping the teachers and the students and also the parents to know how much our children can do. Yes, what we have seen today, it is really a witness that we can see how much our students can learn upon their subjects, different fields, and we have seen that how much our teachers have worked hard. Yes, we have our teachers who are dedicated, and also we have different kind of students, and they are able really to do whatever we are teaching them. And yes, again we want to say thank you to the parents who are coming and sparing their time to be with their children. It is an encouragement to us as teachers and also as the school management, and also it is an encouragement especially to their children. So only these few words, I will say thank you once again. Thank you.
Wat penleno yakani kakabu ki sopti etho ki babha bat shongdor nadu sao po hajar hadu hnriu po hajar tingka menta philaban yo hagador lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti etho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar chaneng pinyo tang san po hajar tingka tang kata kawei ke sopti kadai kawei ke design tang naka benta jongpi wan jet nok loi na molai moro bat na mod pran po no menta hau khandai sao lai hnriu san pra hinyo lai pra